Hello! If your Allegiant app is not working properly as of late, then you have come to right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Allegiant app not working. Well, the first step is navigating to our Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. In my case, I've got Play Store for Android. So I'm going to navigate to Play Store like so. And there I can search for Allegiant. Now select it. Now select the Allegiant app. So here we can see two options, uninstall and open. If your app is not running the latest version, there will be the option update too. So just go ahead and update it by clicking on that update button. Many a times this step itself does solve the problem. Now if the problem you were having still persists, the next step you can do is long press on this app icon, and now there is information section by clicking on this I, or you may have it right around here. Right, click on it. Now navigate to storage. From there is option at the bottom, clear data or clear cache. In your case too, wherever you can find clear data or clear cache, you may also need to go inside this data or cache. And once you have done it, now is your opportunity to check if your problem has been resolved or not. If your problem still persists, the next step is just uninstalling the app altogether by long press on it and clicking on this uninstall, and again installing it by downloading it from Play Store or App Store. These steps most probably should have fixed your problem. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. If you still have any problems or questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.